Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's topic is crime prediction application. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. This model will predict the crime location of the crime on the basis of some input parameters. Like for instance, here the input parameters are year, the year in which the crime happened, month, day, hour, the time, day of year, week, week of year, day of week, and here are some other parameters like latitude and longitude for the location. So let's enter some random values. Let's write 2018. The month is 2. It is a 28th day. So these are very random values like 59.58. The week is 9th week. The year is 9th. Which day of the week? Let's say 2. Weekday. Which quarter? 1. For the location, let's say latitude is 22.7200, some very random value. For longitude, let's say 75.876. Now you can see that we have entered all the values. We are given all the input values to these parameters. Let's click predict button. So you can see that it has successfully predicted the crime. So it is showing the crime analysis. So this output is based on the data. The larger the data, the more the accuracy. If you want to get access to the source code, click here on the file section, and these are the files. The main file is app.py. This file contains the source code for this project. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.